What's up, guys? Fresco BK live here at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. Travis. We've all been following Travis's line with Nike and the Jordan brand, so today we're taking a full look at all release collaboration between Travis Scott, Nike, and the Jordan brand. So, say less with all this talking, let's get straight to these shoes. Travis Scott's lineage with Nike starts, I want to say, in around 2017. First brought to us with the Jordan Trunner. I know that one's not featured here because we've had it maybe like once or twice, but we definitely sold out of that one. But the one that is a little bit more popular and more notable and notarized is the Air Force One series. So at first it was the Air Force One 100 series that was released to us at ComplexCon in 2017. So that featured, once again, if you've been paying attention to all of our videos, the Air Force One, the Rockefeller, the acronym, the off-white Air Force One ComplexCon exclusive, and the white Cactus track Air Force One. So the white pair that I hold in my hand here is the first one to release. And of course, it was followed up by this sail pair that's in my left hand. So the only differences between the two are color, pretty much. The details are very similar with the fully canvas uppers that you guys can see, and also the 3M piping that exists not only on the sail, but also on the white. We have here the detachable swoosh, of course, that you guys can see right there, also with the detachable chenille patches in the lace area. And of course, Travis is famous for the grills. And lo and behold, one of the details that you'll see featured on a bunch of Travis Scott Nike silhouettes is the upside down Nike logo. So you'll see that right there on the back tab of the Air Force One. And my favorite detail is the gum bottom, of course. And I'll give you another look, or one look, at the additional swooshes, the additional detachable swooshes that come with this pack. So we have the flame, of course, the flame, Travis Scott, and then we have the iridescent swooshes right above that. So I'll give you guys one last look at the white Travis Scott Air Force One, and also the sail Cactus Jack Travis Scott Air Force One. So we're gonna follow up now with the Cactus Jack Jordan 33. So here we have the Cactus Jack Jordan 33. So this was released, I want to say last year, 2018, during the NBA All-Star game. So this is one of the introductions to the Jordan 33, which was a new silhouette. But I love high tops, so don't slander me, but I definitely love high tops. And green is my favorite color, so right off rip, I'm taking a look at these. But we have the Cactus Jack logo right there on the tongue. We've got a green pull tab here and a green pull tab also in the back. And we have the toggle pull lace system. This is actually pretty cool detailing. Jumpman logo right there. And also the shoe reads Air Jordan 33, designed to the exact specifications of Travis. So Travis had a lot of input on these shoes, I'm sure, in regards to just bringing his colorway to life. We have the Nike Air right there on the back, which has been featured on a lot of Jordan brand styles, of course. You'll see the two hang tags here. On the left foot reads pull to eject, and on the right foot reads pull to lock down. Give you guys a look at the outsoles. Slightly translucent with a sail undertone. And here's one last look at the Travis Scott Cactus Jack Air Jordan 33. And I'm gonna transition now into what has become most people's favorite, the Cactus Jack Air Jordan 4 in the Houston Oilers colorway. So here we have the Cactus Jack Air Jordan 4. But before we get started on that, I know you guys are probably wondering, and you wish you were here with me and you had this tour merch, but we've got tons of tour merch right here at Stadium. I'm gonna talk about a couple of those pieces in a minute. So, Houston Oilers colorway. So Travis Scott's lineage is, and his hometown is Houston, Texas. So shouts out to the H-Town. And this is inspired by the hometown football team of the time, which was the Houston Oilers. And now we got the Houston Texans, but you'll see the Oiler colorway was a full light blue. And shouts out to my man Warren Moon. So we have the full light blue suede upper. We have, of course, the wax laces. We've unboxed these and talked about these plenty of times on our YouTube and our Instagram TV, so I know you guys are familiar. And actually, if you guys saw the last video that we did with the collection of friends and family Travis Scott Air Jordan 4s, that set was sold and auctioned off, I should say, at the Sotheby's auction that just recently passed. So All 100 shoes that were auctioned off were bought by one gentleman, and I believe he spent around 1.3 million. Also bought the most expensive sneaker in history, but we'll get to that in a little bit. So back to these Travis Scotts, and I'll show you guys the back tabs here. Of course, read the Cactus Jack and the Jumpman logo. And if you guys are paying attention to the videos, the friends and family pairs feature the Nike Air and a variety of different things that make them super exclusive. So we're gonna transition into 2019 and take you with the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 High and the Low. Here we have the Travis Scott Cactus Jack Air Jordan 1 High, and of course the recently released Air Jordan 1 Low. And if you guys have been paying attention to our videos, you would know a bunch of things about this shoe already. But in case you don't know, it was first viewed by the masses at the Super Bowl in 2019. Of course, they were being rocked by Adam Levine from Maroon 5, and Travis Scott had on the Cactus Jack Air Jordan 6 that has yet to release. So of course, we mentioned in the beginning of the video that we're only talking about the ones that have been released so far. So that one will be coming soon, but you'll notice differences right off the bat with these and similarities at the same time. So the Air Jordan 1 Low features the sail-colored upside-down swoosh, while the High features the black colorway and the upside-down swoosh. Also leather on both swooshes that you can see, but difference with the Low from the High as the nubuck suede, kind of like mocha brown swoosh on the inner panel. So these, I believe, the colorway is inspired by Travis's time outside in Houston. So it's a lot of earth tones. You'll see like the browns, the sails, the different touches in regards to his Houston roots and being outside. So now we're gonna take a full look at the entire collection. So here we have the full line of released Travis Scott Air Jordan and Nike collaborations, but as I mentioned before, we do have multiple pieces of Astro World Tour merch that we have available right here at Stadium. So we have this dope hoodie that I have on. I'll show you guys the back. Boom, so you can see with the Astro World Tour information on the back. So this one's actually my favorite piece, but we also have, I'm gonna highlight a few pieces here, the camo pullover that you guys can see. So has the tour right there, and I wish you were here, and I wish you guys would pull up to 47 Howard Street, of course, because we are open. Has the Astro World right there in the middle, and the back features the no bystanders. Of course, never any bystanders, but that is the pullover right here that you guys can see. And I have also one of the more popular pieces. So last year we did a pop-up in Dubai for Soul DXB, and this shirt sold out in, man, like minutes, low-key. But we have the Travis Scott times Off-White collaboration. So it has the Travis Scott right there in the middle. Right there, you'll see that the back features the Travis Scott, of course, Virgil Abloh, Off-White, and the Astro World circa 2018. And if you guys are paying attention, you'll see that he has on the Cactus Jack Air Jordan 4s on the back and on the front, which are featured right here in the middle that you guys can see. We have all of these available right here at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up, and make sure you guys check stadiumgoods.com for not only the Travis Scott footwear, but all the other footwear we have, and also the Astro World merch that is available, and it is moving. So make sure you check that out fast. Please follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. Make sure you guys download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. Last but not least, if you have any questions or inquiries regarding anything Stadium Goods, Travis Scott, Astro World, whatever it may be, please visit stadiumgoods.com. I am Fresco VK, and salute.